Clapped him in his head, bro.
Yeah. Baby, yeah.
You look Maghribi now. You look weird with that hat on your head, though.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie.
Look at him, look behind you.
Huh?
Yeah.
But I just wanted something for Zuhur Salah when I go to the masjid.
Yes.
You know, because I got shorts on,
Yes.
so I can't pray.
No, you have to be.
It's behind here, yeah.
Behind here.
So I just wanted something. That's why I only want one.
Okay.
You know, if you give me good price,
Well, look around, maybe you like something else.
you get one or not.
No, I ain't getting one.
Why?
I want something different.
Different
that's-
one,
Yeah,
more
not for me.
expensive
Not for
one.
me. No. I'm not mine. I look for something different, like a Ganawi one.
Gnawi.
Yes. It's like
We'll
a.
make a jazz. Gnawi.
Yeah. Ooh, you got the moves. Mashallah.
Hey.
Yeah, you got the little wiggle. Yeah.
Gnawi.
Shaking off them bones. Right, give me the damage. What's the price?
600 dirhams.
Nah, it's a bit too expensive.
Cheap.
Nah, not really feeling it.
Even the material.
Yeah, nah.
500.
It said 600, £60. He said 500, it's £50.
Easy to
Nah, that's the
Pay that
same
way.
price as London.
fit.
You know, I'm gonna pass. Sorry, my brother. It's a bit too. It's not really the price I was looking for because it's the same price as England.
Do you have anything for 200?
Nah, I'm not really feeling it.
No?
Yeah.
That is the 400. Quality. It's about 40 quid.
You know what? I'm gonna pass. I'm sorry, my brother. 'Cause you know what I'm saying? So, you know, I want you to get your money too. So I don't want to give you too much of a low price. You know. Thank you.
So you got to think about this.
Yeah.
Brother,
There you go. Look.
brother, listen, come here. 30 quid. 300. You can have
30 or...
half price. I'd say 60, 30, that's a good price.
I mean, okay, look. You're only going just to pray only, right? Only to pray.
That's what I'm saying,
And that's it. So it's either you go for the basic one, or you can go for this one, but he would only take it for 25. He would only take it and that's it.
It's
So,
just one of those ones.
Okay, 25.
yeah?
If I'm happy to go to pray with
You know
you.
about that? 25, yeah.
Yeah, that's
But yeah.
Assalamu.
We spent too much there.
I didn't know where the price is. I don't know the general prices.
Yeah, you know what? I don't know exactly how much that is, yeah, but we literally got it less than half the price.